In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I was able to fix Nintendo Switch 2 not connecting to Wi-Fi. So basically what I had to do firstly is that I had to go into system settings right here. So I had to go into settings on my Nintendo Switch here, and then I had to scroll down and click on internet right here. And then I clicked on internet settings. And we're just going to wait for it to search. This might sometimes take a couple of seconds, just so you know, but you're going to then now check exactly what kind of Wi-Fi that you're connected to, and then click on the A button, of course, here, and then click on change settings. So click on change settings here, and then you're just going to scroll down in here until you get to DNS settings. So if you click right here, and you have to set it from automatic to manual instead, very important, set it to manual, and then the primary DNS here should be 008, 008, 008, and once again 008, as you can see, and there's a dot between all of those right here, and the secondary DNS, set this to 008.008.004.004. Then don't forget to click on save right here also, of course, and settings has been saved. Now when it says like this, you're going to go back to the system settings here once again, as you can see. And now you're going to scroll all the way down and click on system and click on system update. It's very important that you also get a new update before completing, before actually trying once again, if that makes sense. Well, the last step is going to be for us to take our Nintendo Switch here, click on this power button here, just click and hold for about 3 to 4 or 5 seconds, and then click on power options, and then you're going to click on restart right here, as you can see. So click on restart, and hopefully then after that it's going to work for you as well.